again. It's a rich thing.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Aneyeivkicks. Welcome back to the channel. I am super excited about this video. If you've been keeping up with my most recent videos, then you've probably already commented what shoes I had on the way. I was super excited about it. Those of you that guessed the Travis Scott 6s were right. I am beyond excited that I have this shoe in my hot little hands. Guys, when I tell you the week that I have gone through over this shoe, absolutely insane. Before I get into all of that, I want to get a nice look at the shoe. You've got the dust bag in here, so go ahead and open that up and show you guys. Kind of looks like one of those drawstring gym bags. Something simple. Got your Jordan logo on the front, on the back. Well, I guess there's really no front and back per se, but then you got your Cactus Jack back here. This shoe is so beautiful. And it's like, the craziest part is, it's not a shoe that I was like, oh my God, I have to have it. Of course I wanted to go for it, but the minute I hit in my size on sneakers, I was in love. They were now mine, and that just goes into the story. Look at this shoe. Absolutely gorgeous shoe. You've got your little pocket here, and then they added the little pocket back over here. Just the detail is, I mean, the bottom of the shoe, I don't know if you guys can see like all the imagery within the sole of the shoe. Definitely have to get a set of sole protectors for these babies. I mean, the little logo over here, they went in on these shoes, and the quality, it's like this it's like a suede, but it's like furrier, so it's not like that smooth suede. But I mean, this video and the description that I'm giving doesn't do the shoe justice. So we've got the other one here we've got our extra laces. Please tell me how dope these are going to look with these laces in it. That nice pop of infrared to match the infrared details. Got your Cactus Jack over here. Freaking excited as hell. Let me go ahead and show y'all the way this sucker glows though. Look how this thing glows, guys. Like, this is, now I do have a black light shining right now, so it does give that fluorescent. I mean, look at the fluorescent pop of the Jumpman here, and you've got your fluorescent Cactus Jack. All the infrared details just pop extra hard. So this is why I'm saying, look at these friggin' laces, guys. And then on top of it, now you're not gonna be able to see it on the camera, but they're even on the tongue of it, the little pull tab, it says Cactus Jack right here. When you have it glowing, you can kind of see the pop. Just absolutely incredible shoe. That glow is insane. Look at that bottom, guys. Friggin' insane. They definitely outdid themselves with this. One other thing I actually totally forgot about until it damn near fell on me. So you open this pocket, you've got his little logo there, but then you've got another little lace lock in here, the little infrared one, so you can kind of swap it out. I mean, these shoes, they didn't miss a beat with them. And y'all already know I'm big on details, so yeah, I'm totally obsessed. So let me stop drooling about this shoe and let me get into this story. I'm gonna hold it while I do, because I haven't. So about a week ago, you know, I finally get information that my shoe has shipped. I get an email from Nike looking for your order. Duh, it's the Cactus Jack. So yeah, okay, it shipped. Fantastic. Of course, there's no shipping update because, you know, you have to wait until the package gets to FedEx, blah, blah, blah. So I'm checking like obsessively hourly, but you know, days are starting to go by and I'm still not seeing an update on my tracking. So finally, my shoe was expected to be here on the 10th, which was Monday. That was Monday. So the shoe was expected to be here on Monday. So Saturday I called Nike and I was like, what is going on with my order? I have a, you know, a shipping confirmation. I have a tracking number, but I have no updates, no nothing. Where is it? Of course, the guy's like, oh, well, it shows in our system that your shoe has shipped. Well, duh, you bought a shipping label. So yeah, your system's gonna show that it's shipped. Oh, well, if there's any issues, we can go ahead and reship the shoe for you, blah, 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 you know, if it doesn't arrive by the expected date. I can't stand these representatives because, and don't get me wrong, the customer service is fine. I don't have any complaints with that, but the representatives have no idea the shoes that they are looking at. I mean, to tell me that this shoe can just be reshipped like it's nothing. So then, of course, Monday comes around and guess what? Still isn't here. I don't even have an update at this point. Tuesday, I get an email from Nike that says, you know, unfortunately, the item's still, you know, we don't have any updates. The item is unable to be reshipped due to it being limited. We're going to have to refund you. Friggin' upset, didn't really care for the shoe, and then all of a sudden I had it, it was mine. Now, of course, I have to have it. So your girl goes on StockX, buys them resale, because at this point I figure that's the only chance I have of getting them, and I better get them while they're at a decent price and not crazy ridiculous. And all right, fine, whatever. Then it gets better. Not an hour after I paid resale, I get a freaking email from FedEx saying, oh, here's your update on your order. What the frick you mean? Because last time I checked, the order wasn't coming through. Now I've paid an additional, you know, however much. Y'all, if y'all know the market, y'all have an idea of how much I paid resale. I've already paid resale, and now I'm not getting my freaking refund because the shoe is on the way. So I'm gonna look at the positive side. Now I'm going to have 2 pairs, size 7. 1 pair is retail, so I'll take that resale pair with me to the convention on the 29th in Orlando, the Kicks for Souls convention. Super excited about that, and see, I'm pretty sure that I can find a buyer for those. So not stressing it too hard. At the end of the day, I did get a fire pair of Travis Scott's, my very first one in the collection for retail. You know the drill. If you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. Everybody, I'm gonna need y'all to hit that notification bell. You already know I constantly do giveaways. I love giving back to my, you know, my subscribers, my followers, everybody that supports me. Like the video, go back, like all the videos. Comment below, are you gonna be at the convention? Am I gonna be lucky enough to see you there, to see some of my subscribers there? I absolutely love being able to meet with anybody that is a supporter of mine, and I'm super excited for this convention. As y'all already know, I do them all the time. So if you're in the Orlando area, can't wait to see you. If you're not, then y'all need to look for what conventions are coming up, and we can link up at one in the future. Before we wrap up this video today, I do want to go ahead and do an unboxing of a shoe that I've had sitting here for a little while now. I was actually waiting for the Travis Scotts to arrive to do this unboxing as well. Switching gears a little bit, this is not a Jordan. This is something that was supposed to be exclusive to Japan. And then all of a sudden I saw that notification, that post from, I think it was like Z Sneakerhead or Sneaker Files, one of the two. And then all of a sudden the next day, they did a shock drop for this shoe on Sneakers. So your girl did not know about it, did not hit on Sneakers. So I did go ahead and pay that resale value. Let me go ahead and open it up, and then I can explain, you know, this shoe definitely had some sentimental value for sure. All right, y'all. So like I said, this is not a Jordan. We are switching it over to a LeBron James. And this shoe spoke to me. I have a thing for cherry blossoms, or I'm totally saying it wrong, but the sakura flower, as it's known over in Japan. I mean, I'm sure you guys have already noticed the cherry blossom tree that I have with the owl on my arm. Huge significance to that. But we'll get into it in a second. These are it's actually a collaboration with the Japanese-based brand Atmos. So, super dope shoe. Again, specifically for the details. And it's just something different. Y'all like to see something different, right? You don't want to see all the same stuff that everybody else has all the time. So here it is, guys. This is a super beautiful shoe. Don't really see a lot of men wearing it, but you never know anymore these days. I mean, the Valentine's Day Air Force Ones were going crazy with the guys, so hey, a dope shoe is a dope shoe. But as you can see, you've got the cherry blossoms right here making up the swoosh. That is what spoke to me. It's actually a super light shoe, so I know this is about to be comfortable as hell. But the cherry blossoms is really what spoke to me. I don't care to get emotional and all weepy, but just real quick, the cherry blossoms are super, super important to me because I lost my best friend, you know, like, I think it was like 5 years ago now. And this was her absolute favorite flower. She actually, I draw a little bit, and she wanted me to design a cherry blossom tattoo for her for the longest. So I had to go ahead and get that tattoo myself. And since then, anything cherry blossom and anything owls has spoken to me. So yeah, I'm obsessed with that detail, that embroidered cherry blossom swoosh. And the rest of the shoe is just really dope as well. I mean, that bottom, that like translucent blue icy looking bottom is really dope too. Again, it's about to be a crazy comfortable shoe. Look at the size of the air bubble, and it's, like I said, it's crazy light. So I'm super excited. Definitely two amazing freaking pickups. Yeah, it doesn't get much better than this right now. So make sure y'all stay tuned, keep watching, keep showing the love and support, and see what I've got my eye on next.